Okay, guys, so this is just a continuation of the other video on algebraic expressions. And in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you the difference between like terms and unlike terms, okay? So if you look at the set of terms that I have written out here, it's very simple to find your like terms from your unlike terms, okay? So like terms is anything that looks alike. You're looking at any term that looks like the other term. So you have to look at the base. Remember in the other video, we learned about the base, the coefficient, and the exponent, okay? That's what your term is made of. So you're going to look at the base, you're going to look at the coefficient, and the exponent, okay? And here in the first set of terms, we can see that 2x squared looks exactly the same as 3x squared, okay? Although the coefficient is different, remember, your exponent and your base needs to be the same, okay? So for instance, a student asked me recently, is 2x squared and like, for example, 5y squared, are those like terms? Those are not like terms. We cannot add them. Why can't we add them? It's because of this. Y. The base is different, okay? So it might have the same exponent, but because the base is different, then that means that they are not like terms, okay? So here in the first set, we're looking at 2x squared, and then you can see that the same base and the same exponent is also here with 3x squared, okay? So those are like terms in the first set, okay? So we're going to write them down. 2x squared and 3x. Okay, so let's put them down. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you put your squared sign, okay? That is very, very important. Right. What other terms that are noticeable that are like terms in this first set? We can see that 4x also looks the same as 6x because the bases are the same. And remember in the last lesson, we learned that the base will have is raised to a power of 1. Okay, so the exponent is 1 over here. So here, the exponent is 1. Okay, so therefore this and this are like terms. We can also write them down here. For x and 6x are like terms. Okay, let's place them there. Right, now we have 3x squared. So 3x squared will be our unlike term since there's no other base or raised to the power 3. Okay, so we're going to write the unlike terms, we're going to write over here in the unlike term box. So over here it's 3x for our okay. So now we have 3y, 5y squared, 7y cubed, 2y, and then y cubed. So this one I would like you to attempt on your own, okay, before I actually list them out for you.